sitting at 40 tail feet. Significant burial. Copy that.
Locking coordinates and initializing deployment sequence.
Battling the relentless swells of the Atlantic, the Argo salvager pushes eastward as the golden sunrise breaks over the horizon.
Comms check, Diver 1. How are the hydraulics looking? Reading full pressure on the recovery tools. Ready to engage.
Control, confirming depth at 1,000 meters. How are the suit hydraulics holding up?
Systems are nominal, Control. Visibility is dropping fast down here.
Years of corrosion obscured the truth, but the markings confirm it. This is the container holding the lost GT 2017.
The forward lifting points show severe degradation. Copy that. Running stress simulations on the tablet now. All eyes on the load. Keep her steady. Port side secure. Bring it in. Corrosion is extensive on these hinges, structurally unsound. The integrity report confirms it. We need to secure this section immediately. Acknowledged. Preparing the rigging. Finally, after years lost to the deep Atlantic, the legendary GT emerges from the depths. Tension still high on the forward cables? Yeah. Confirmed. Watch the rear clearance. Easy now. Easy now, watch that front right tire. Bring it up. Holding tension, bringing it up slowly. Steady now, keep it straight off the ramp. Watch the tires, easy. All right, push it back towards the bay. We can see heavy concentrations of marine algae and salt deposits here on the carbon fiber panel. It's exactly as it came out of the ocean.
The 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 is carefully stripped down. Every component, damaged by saltwater immersion, must be cataloged and replaced.
Years of marine salt exposure have fused these components. We have to carefully break them free before the new system can go in.
All right, bring it forward slowly. Watch that passenger side mount. Yep. Holding steady. Watch the clearance on that turbo line. Holding steady. Bring it up another foot. The turbo is off. Setting it down on the tray now. I've got the intake runner loose. Just need to disconnect this sensor wire.
The camera reveals the devastating impact of saltwater corrosion deep within the cylinder heads and turbocharger internals.
Slowly lowering, watch the passenger side mount. Wait. Clear on this side, keep coming down. Looks good, it's home. Looks good. No signs of orange peel here. Yeah, the flow looks smooth across the door.
There are moments when man and machine become one.